I'm in the kitchen. I was making some dog food for my dogs because I don't like them to eat the canned dog food. So I was making some dog food, and I look crunchy, but I need to do my hair. That was the purpose of today. Today is Sunday. Hi, happy Sunday. And I have this hair from Asteria. They sent me this packet, so you guys want to see what's in it with me? Because I haven't opened it yet. So let's see what goods they sent in here. Okay, so you have the wig, of course, and it comes with a headband and an edge brush, stocking cap, ooh, and an edge band. What else is in here? Some eyelashes, and then the wig. So it says this is an HD lace 26-inch 250 density large cap wig. So let's bust her open. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like inside. You have a full frontal. So full frontal. There's no tapering off on the side. You get a full HD frontal, which I like. A lot of companies isn't doing that anymore. You have combs, three combs, adjustable straps, and the wig is pre-plucked. Ooh, I love that. But the knots are not bleached. So we are gonna go in and bleach the knots. So for bleaching, I'm going to use 40 volume developer and my blonde meat bleach. This is a powerful combo, so you want to definitely be careful. You want to watch your knots when it comes to this, because this will over bleach and probably make your hair shed if you bleach it too long. All right, because this is a powerful bleach on its own. Added with 40 volume developer, it's going to open up them cuticles and lift all of the pigment out of them knots. Okay, so you definitely want to be careful. So let's bleach. So I'm gonna take 1 scoop of blonde meat. I actually went to the beauty supply today, and I got my supplies that I need, that I've been neglecting to go get. So 1 scoop of bleach to 1 scoop of developer. So blonde meat bleach has a lot of oils in it, so it's on the healthier side as far as me using like Quick Blue or BW2. I would never use BW2. BW2 is very, very harsh on your wigs, but it'll boost, it'll lift. So this is what the mixture looks like. It's a bit runny, so I'm gonna let it oxidize. While it's oxidizing, I have this piece of foil that I'm gonna put inside the lace after I apply the bleach. So we have this as well, and I'm gonna just go ahead and apply the bleach to the hairline. I like to do the hairline first because I want to make sure that that's what is processed the most. After all the bleach is on the lace, I'm gonna flip it inside out, and then I'm gonna look to see if all the knots are covered, and some are and some aren't. So I'm gonna take my brush and the remainder of the bleach and put some on the brush, and I'm gonna just go ahead and push the bleach through slightly so all the knots could be covered. You want to take your aluminum foil. You want to take your foil and you just place it inside like such, and it's going to help process your knots. We're going to wait about 15 minutes, and then it should be good to go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it. Okay, so these knots are ready to go. So what I like to do is I like to wipe an area to see if I see the knots, and I don't. So they're ready to wash. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to use purple shampoo. I like to use Vanilla No Yellow to tone my knots, just to get all the brassiness away from the knots so it won't look orange or yellowish when I wear my wig. And so you're going to see me pull it out. And then at this point, I'm going to just leave it on for maybe like 20 seconds. And then I'm going to rinse it out. But before that, I am going to lather my wig with the same shampoo and comb it out just to make sure that it's detangled. And yeah, like at this point, I'm just gonna, shampoo the wig, tone the knots, deep condition. I don't show you me deep conditioning, but I do deep condition my wig with silicone mix. That's the only thing that I use to condition my wig. It's a simple conditioner, well, a conditioning treatment, but it's the bomb. It's going to make your hair silky and look bomb. All right, so I'm back in my workroom. I have the wig right here. I'm gonna show you, but I have to go to the beauty supply, and I found this. Ooh, so this is Red by Kiss. I tried the pink one, and I love the pink one. This is their Styler Fixer Hair Freeze Hairspray Maximum Hold. And so, what's the brand on the other one? Oh no, okay, so the pink one is lace spray and this one is hairspray. We're gonna try to apply this. I bought this from the beauty supply. Okay, I needed some rapid strips. This is what I put on my wigs when I do the baby hairs, which you're about to see me do. I needed some more mousse. I bought a couple of these. I needed some silicone mix because I ran all out. I needed some wig caps because I am going to be doing some sewing machine wigs with you guys, and I got some bleach. I just needed to re-up on a couple of things because I was so low. This is what the wig looks like. I've washed the wig. This is the wave pattern on it. It's pretty nice. The hairline is already pre-plucked, and I don't think I need to go in and do any more. I feel like it's pretty good, and this is HD lace, so I don't want to stress the lace. So I'm just gonna go in with my mousse. This is from Cantu. This is one of my favorite products that I showed you guys in my bagging of my products that I love to use. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pull some baby hairs out. Now when it comes to curly or wavy hair and baby hair, it's hard to get them like super neat when molding your hair because the hair is wavy. So the baby hair is not going to be super flat and super neat and laid, but that's okay because when I go in and install, I'll lay them again. But yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead and mold down my baby hairs. Once I do this side, I'm gonna go do the same thing to the other side. Boom. Both sides are done now. So what I like to do, I like to take my Got To Be Freeze spray, and I like to spray the baby hair because I'm gonna wrap them down and sit it under the dryer, and it just helps the hairline be flat for the install. So I'm gonna take this, it's already sprayed. I'm gonna take the rest of the hair, pin it up so I can wrap the hairline down. And these are rapid strips right here. Okay, so this is where we at. All right, so my wig is not applied. So let's do that. She's cute. I'm cute. Let me put on my fake nose ring. I am going to use this to install my, let me bust this camera back. I'm gonna use this to install my wig. I have my blow dryer ready right here. And we're just gonna do this. This is about to be a fast install because I love products like this.
On the beat.
So my wig is down. And by the way, I misread this. It says 2-in-1 lace glue spray and styling, so you can use this for lace glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off my lace. Okay, and I'm gonna bring my baby hairs back down. To lay my baby hairs, I'm gonna use Boho Lace Jelly. I've been liking to use this lately. You take a little bit, put it on the hair, and then you just mold it with your edge brush. This will also lay your lace down. So you can just put a little bit on that lace that's not laying down, and then wrap it down, and it'll definitely do what it needs to do. Just drop that down and then work on the other side. And we're gonna just pull all the hair back out the way. So what I'm gonna do, because I want to make sure that my lace stay down, the areas that's sticking up, like right here, I'm gonna take a little bit of lace jelly and I'm gonna run it under the lace like that. That's the only area that was sticking up. So there's a piece right there. Take a little bit and put it under the lace. Then I'm gonna take my spray and I'm gonna spray my hairline good. You wanna move fast with this because we use spray to adhere it so it's dry. Once you use wet spray to put on dry spray, it's going to loosen up real fast. So spray it and wrap it down. I peel down, not up, because I don't want to lift the lace. So that's done. And then you just take it on off. And she look good. Okay. So I'm going to use the hot comb and just tidy up a bit. I'm gonna take some of this spray, put some in my hand. Do I wanna fluff up my baby hairs? I like the nose ring when I have a full face of makeup on. I do, it's a vibe. Yep, that's that. That was the quickest install. I've been loving my little quick installs. You see it? Do you see it? It's bomb. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Everything that I use will be in the description box for you guys, including this wig, including the nose ring, because I got it off of Amazon, and my eyelashes and jewelry will be on my website. Until next time, bye, best friends.